I love this game with all the killing and the demons and the saving people and all that.
Saving people? What? Look, Lily, have you even played this before? Ever?
Uh, of course I have, Tony. Like, yeah, how could I not have? Like, that's crazy. Z.
Well, you just said saving people, and that's not even in this game. When have there ever been saving people? Unless there's like a part two that I don't know about, you have never played this before, and I'm pretty sure there's no part two. I would have seen the commercial. Yeah, I'm just saying.
You know what, Tony? Shut up, okay? I've played this game before. I'm pretty sure I would know because you don't know anything. You're still in first grade. Did you know that?
Actually, I'm in high school. Yeah. I'm in a way higher grade than you, girl. And don't forget, you can't even get mad because you suck at every video game that I even try to play with you with.